Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Honeywell T5, T5 Plus, and T6 thermostats. These square Wi-Fi enabled programmable thermostats can be reset to factory settings like this. Press and hold menu. Scroll through the choices until reset is displayed. Select reset.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to reset the Honeywell Smart and Lyric Round thermostats. Press the Weather button, and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. The menu button will appear. Choose Factory Reset by scrolling down. Select OK, and then Yes. You have reset the device to factory default settings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.